Welcome to the Gilleand Brothers cram session. We are working on extraordinary, not to be confused with our crap session, which sometimes it has turned into. But we are spending today, this is Sunday, January 7th, into tomorrow, working on the movie. Right now we're in sound effects, and we're stuck in sound effects. We just can't get them finished, so we thought we're just going to push through it today and tomorrow and hopefully try and wrap it up, but we have a long way to go. So Andy right now is working on a sound effect or a special effect in the movie, and let's take a look at what he's doing.
That's what you used, isn't it?
Yeah, that's one of them.
Yeah, I don't like those. I'm looking for a sound that'll sound like fire throwing.
We have flame throwing.
No, those sound nothing like flamethrowers. What kind of crap is that? Should be like...
We're also web broadcasting to the whole world right now.
Is that right? I don't think we're gonna use that one.
It's just too bad we don't have a bigger screen to work with.
Is that right? It needs to be a heck of a lot louder than that. I'm setting the surround sound so that it'll work. 5.1 surround sound.
You can search for fire alone.
I know.
You can search for campfire.
No.
What?
What are you trying?
Andy's over there.
Volcano lava fire. Did you use that? Fire. That's long, isn't it? Oh, come on, I can't find it.
Hello, everyone. Sorry.
Start talking to him.
Okay, as you can see, this is why we don't get a lot done on the movie. And again, how long have we been working on this movie, Dave?
Well, my birthday's in 39 days.
What's that to do with anything?
I was just looking at that. That's right. Over 2 years.
Not long enough. Good mom, too. There we go. Okay. Fade in a little bit. Looks at my...
Earlier today, we also took a little break and we filmed the 4th episode of Stuart Ped. Coming soon.
Stupid time! Stupid time! Stupid time! Lassoing the horse! Lassoing the horse! Playing the guitar! Playing the guitar! Playing the guitar! And down! Down, up, down, 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 up, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, up. We finished the sound effect we were working on. We used 3 different sound effects, one for both David throwing the fire and increasing the fire's intensity, one for the cloaked figure catching on fire and burning, and one for the cloaked figure swinging his hands up to get rid of the fire. And this is what it sounds like.